Dear students, let us see how tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point which is at a given distance from the center of the circle, which happens to be a 4 marks question in your final examination. Let us consider the question. Construct tangents to the circle of radius 4 centimeters. That is, the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters from a point which is at a distance of 10 centimeters. That is, the external point is at a distance of 10 centimeters from the center of the circle. Let us mark a point A to represent the center of the circle. Now, with 4 centimeters as radius, A as center, let us draw a circle. Next, mark a point B at a distance of 10 centimeters from the center of the circle A. Let us join these 2 points AB to get a line segment of length 10 centimeters. Now, we need to bisect the line segment AB. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. You know very well, children, to draw the perpendicular bisector, we need to take more than half of the length of AB as radius. And as AB is 10 centimeters, let us take more than half, that is more than 5 as radius, and draw arcs from A on either sides of the line segment AB. Then, without changing the radius, with B as center, let us draw 2 more arcs intersecting the previous arcs. Let us mark the points of intersection of these arcs. Let it be C and the other point of intersection be D. Now let us join CD to get the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. Mark the point of intersection of these two, the line segment AB and its perpendicular bisector. Let it be M. Now with M as center of the circle and AM, which will be definitely equal to BM as radius, we'll draw a circle. This circle passes through the points A and B. Now let us mark the points of intersection of the circle, the given circle, and the circle which we have drawn just now. Let the points of intersection be P and Q. Let us join BP and BQ, which are the required tangents to the circle. You need to write the steps of construction to fetch 4 marks in the examination. Practice it, children.